Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Beacon Mic full guide. Start by unboxing the Beacon Mic, charge it fully, and install the app on your phone. Power on the mic, enable Bluetooth, and follow the app prompts to pair the device. Test audio levels and position the mic 6 to 12 inches from your mouth for best clarity before continuing to advanced settings. Begin by enabling Bluetooth and putting the Beacon Mic into pairing mode using the power button. Open the app, select the Beacon Mic from available devices, and confirm any pairing codes shown. Once paired, record a short sample to check audio levels and latency. If you experience dropouts, move closer to the phone, disable nearby Bluetooth devices, or restart the app and mic to re-establish a stable connection. If this video is helping, please like and subscribe so I can keep making useful guides for you. Quick recommendation: Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum voice control, and it frees up time to focus on your recordings. Check the description for the link and other deals. I appreciate the support. Now let's get back to the video. Open the app settings to fine-tune gain, input level, and noise reduction for the Beacon Mic. Start with low gain and increase until your voice peaks around -6 dB to avoid clipping. Enable noise reduction when recording in busy spaces, and choose a preset profile for podcasting or streaming. Save the profile so you can recall it quickly, and test with a sample recording to confirm the settings meet your needs before starting a full session.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.